Soon the broken hearts will sing along. Brothers stand tall, sisters hold the flame. Different faces, but we're all the same. One sweet rhythm in every land. Peace and unity hand in hand. Sing it loud, let the whole world know. Freedom is the seed we sow. Through the fire and through the rain, love will rise again. Hear the guitar cry like a gentle breeze. Roots music flowing through the trees. Every note carry truth so deep. Wake the souls that used to sleep. From Kingston town to the world so wide, let the righteous spirit be our guide. No more chains on the human mind. Only truth and love we'll find. Oh, the road is long, but we'll walk together through the stormy days and sunny weather. Keep the faith burning in your heart. That's where every freedom starts. Sing it loud, let the whole world know. Freedom is the seed we sow. Through the fire and through the rain, love will rise again. So lift your voice and sing today. Let the music chase the fear away. With every drum and every sound, a better world can still be found. Down by the river where the cool winds blow, people gather where the wild roots grow. Old guitar singing soft and low, telling stories that the elders know. Sunlight dancing on the ocean side, dreams of freedom flowing far and wide. Every heart got a song to share. Feel the spirit floating in the air. Let the river of hope keep flowing on. Through the night until the break of dawn. No more change. songs of courage that the wise ones know.